friends, today I am going to discuss about provisions of the code regarding exemption of certain persons from personal appearance in court or from arrest and detention under civil process. Civil Procedure Code 1908. Exemption of persons from personal appearance. The code exempts women from personal appearance in court who, according to the custom and manners of the country, do not appear in public. Nothing, however, exempts women from arrest in execution of civil process. In a case in which the arrest of women is not prohibited by the code. Section 132 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Second point, exemption of other persons. The President of India, the Vice President of India, the Speaker of the House of the People, the Ministers of the Union, the Judges of Supreme Court, the Governor of States and the Administrators of Union Territories, the Speakers of the State Legislative Assemblies, the Chairman of the State Legislative Councils, the Minister of States, the Judges of the High Court and the person to whom Section 87B applies, that is ruler of any former Indian state, Section 133 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Exemption from arrest under civil process. Section 135 also provides subsection 1, no judge, magistrate or other judicial officer shall be liable to arrest under civil process while going to presiding in or returning from his court. Section 2. Where any matter is pending before a tribunal having jurisdiction therein or believing in good faith that it has such a jurisdiction, the parties thereto, their pleaders, revenue agents and recognized agents and their witnesses acting in obedience to a summons shall be exempt from arrest under a civil process other than process issued by such a tribunal for contempt of court while going to or attending such a tribunal for the purpose of such a matter and while returning from such a tribunal. Subsection 3. Nothing in subsection 2 shall enable a judgment debtor to claim exemption from arrest under an order for immediate execution or where such a judgment debtor attempts to show cause why he should not be committed to prison in execution of decree. Section 135 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Exemption of members of legislative bodies from arrest and detention under civil process. Section 135A further lays down that subsection 1, no person shall be liable to arrest or detention in prison under civil process. A. If he is a member of a unicameral legislature or of either house of a bicameral legislature continued or constituted under the Constitution during the continuance of any meeting of such a legislature or chamber. B. If he is a member of any committee of such a legislature or house during the continuance of any meeting of such a committee. C. If he is a member of either house of such a bicameral legislature during the continuance of joint sitting meeting, conference or joint committee of the house of that legislature and during the 14 days before and after such a meeting or sitting. Subsection 2. A person released from detention under subsection 1 shall, subject to the provisions of the said subsection, be liable to re-arrest and to the further detention to which he would have been liable if he had not been released under the provision of subsection 1, section 135A of Civil Procedure Code 1908.